Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Oasis. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Oasis broke out a very big descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that, recently it has broken down another rising wedge pattern on the same 7 days time frame chart. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakdown from this recent rising wedge pattern, the price and is dropped down at this quite long-term support of 8.5 cents that had been previously breaking as a support here, resistance here, and resistance here. And even before that here for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance. And now you can see it is breaking as a nice support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we had a long spike to the downside, but the price could not break it down. And now it is getting accumulated above this support of 8.5 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for FIS, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 28th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range. By the way, this was the move was formed with Bitcoin pair. Therefore, these targets are with Bitcoin, and these were the buying ranges, and this was the sell target zone, and this was the stop loss. And now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this line zone, and we had a very powerful pump and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Oasis, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously I've been showing you this very huge falling wedge pattern. While moving inside this wedge, we also had this quite long-term downtrend and resistance as well that was coming from the month of January 2022, when we had a fake out from this long-term resistance of the descending triangle. We got rejection here, we got a few more rejections here, one more rejection here, and a few more rejections here, and finally we broke out this resistance, quite long-term resistance, and after that the price has been rejected several times by this bigger resistance of this big descending triangle. By the way, we had the support of this descending triangle here at 3.75 cents. And when the movement was quite squeezed inside this triangle here, in those days I've been telling you that we have a quite long-term support of 3.5 cents, and the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, soon we can also break out this very huge descending triangle, and you can see that after the breakout, we had a very powerful rally from this low, from here up to this high. It was almost 382% pump, but the price end got rejected by this long-term resistance of 18.5 cents that had been previously breaking as a support here, resistance here, and support here, and support here, and now again it broke as a strong resistance, and now we have broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern. The technical target for this breakdown was here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at 6.1 cents, and you can see that the price end dropped very close to that target, approximately up to 7.2 cents. If the price breaks down this support, that is at 8.5 cents, then it can hit this target of 6.1 cents. In fact, it can also hit this long-term support of 5 cents as well. That is a quite long-term support, by the way, that had been previously breaking as a very strong support here from the month of May 2021 up till the month of July 2021. And almost here as a support as well, and here it also worked as a nice support in the month of October 2022. And since it broke it down here in the month of November 2022, it was working not here, here after the breakdown. For several weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance. Here for a few weeks, it worked as a resistance, and here as a support as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line. At the same time, we will also have this very huge support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well that was previously working as a resistance. And before the support of 5 cents, we will also have the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Now, if we can see that this stochastic is also entered the oversold zone, and not entered, completely entered, but just had the oversold zone, and now it is turning bullish, and you can see that the price line is also following the stochastic oscillator. If we will receive a bull cross, then I'm expecting that a correction move to the upside can be started. Previously, when it was entered the oversold zone here, then we had a short move to the upside, but the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of descending triangle. Then it again dropped down in the oversold zone. Then we had a very, very massive rally. This time we have the support of 8.5 cents, and if we will receive a bull pause, then there will be a probability that the price line may start another move to the upside to break out this resistance of 11.5 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way, that was previously breaking as a resistance here. And for 2 weeks, it broke the resistance here and support here as well. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance. And this previous support of the rising wedge pattern can also work as a resistance for the price line of Oasis. Now, if we take a look at fine target for this huge breakout from this big descending triangle, because we have broken out this triangle, and now sooner or later the price can hit that target, and that target can be, by the way, here. That will be approximately at 50 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.